Have you ever seen an animal that can turn itself into a living shield? Today, we're rediving into the unbelievable defense system of the Armadillo Natores' very own 360-degree armor machine. These fascinating creatures are covered in a bony shell, which is actually made of plates of bone covered by a layer of keratin, the same stuff our fingernails are made of. But here's the mind-blowing part. When threatened, the three-banded armadillo can roll itself into a nearly perfect, impenetrable ball. Predators like coyotes or bobcats are left completely baffled, unable to find a weak spot. It's a complete, seamless sphere of armor. They just tuck in their head and feet, and poof, they become a living fortress. It's an incredible example of evolution at its most creative. How amazing is that? For more incredible animal facts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Ever seen a real-life transformer? Meet the three-banded armadillo nature's Armadillos. This creature can roll into a perfect, almost unbreakable ball, baffling predators like jaguars and pumas. But that's not its only trick. When it comes to digging, this little guy is a superstar. With powerful claws and strong legs, it can excavate a burrow faster than a human with a shovel, disappearing underground in seconds to escape danger or find a tasty insect snack. Its unique shell, made of bony plates covered in keratin, isn't just for defense. It's also flexible, allowing it to curl up so tightly that there are almost no gaps. So, how does it do it all? It's a masterclass in evolution, combining a fortress-like defense with incredible digging power. This amazing animal is a true survival expert. What other animal superpowers should we explore next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife wonders. Have you ever wondered what an animal would look like if it wore a suit of medieval armor? Well, look no further than the amazing armadillo. This little creature's iconic shell isn't just for show. It's a masterpiece of natural engineering. The armor is actually made of hardened plates of keratin. Yep, that's the exact same stuff your fingernails are made of, but way tougher. These plates are arranged in an overlapping pattern, almost like chainmail from the Middle Ages. What's really cool is that each plate is flexible. This allows the armadillo to curl up into a tight, nearly impenetrable ball when it feels threatened, but also lets it move around freely when it's just going about its day. It's the perfect combination of protection and mobility, all designed by nature. Pretty incredible, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool animal facts. Ever wondered how animals survive in the wild? Well, get ready to meet a true master of defense. In the animal kingdom, when faced with danger, it's all about fight or flight. Right, not for this little guy. Meet the three-banded armadillo. When a predator comes knocking, it doesn't run, and it doesn't fight back. It performs a survival move so unique, it's almost magical. It curls up, tucking its head and tail in, and transforms into a perfect, seamless sphere. Its hard, bony shell becomes an impenetrable fortress, leaving no weak points exposed for a predator to attack. It's not just a ball. It becomes a living shield, a shield with a heartbeat. This incredible strategy shows just how creative nature can be when it comes to survival. Isn't that amazing? If you love learning about cool animal facts, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Ever seen an animal that wears its own suit of armor? Meet the armadillo. You probably know them for their unique, bony shell, which is an amazing defense against predators. When they're startled, some species can even roll up into a tight, almost unbreakable ball. Super cool, right? But that's not their only superpower. Believe it or not, armadillos are some of nature's most skilled excavators. They have these incredibly strong legs and long, sharp claws that are perfect for digging, whether they're looking for insects to eat or building a cozy burrow to sleep in. They can move a surprising amount of dirt. If an armadillo feels threatened and can't roll up, it might just dig a hole and vanish underground in the blink of an eye. It's like a real-life magic trick. So next time you think of armadillos, remember they're not just armored tanks, they're master engineers too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Have you ever wondered how an animal with notoriously bad eyesight can be such a successful forager? Meet the armadillo, a creature that proves you don't need sharp vision to find a good meal. While they might bump into things now and then, armadillos have a secret weapon, an extraordinary sense of smell. In fact, it's one of the most powerful sniffers in the entire mammal kingdom. Their noses are so sensitive they can detect insects and grubs buried up to 20 centimeters. That's almost 8 inches deep in the soil. It's like having built-in extra vision, but for food underground. So next time you see an armadillo shuffling along, remember, it's not lost. It's just following its nose to its next delicious discovery. Isn't nature amazing? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool animal facts. Did you know some of the most advanced tech we use is inspired by animals? Take a look at this little guy. It might not look like much, but its natural armor is a marvel of engineering. Scientists are studying creatures like this to create incredible breakthroughs for us. Imagine flexible body armor that's tougher than steel but moves with you, or sports gear that can absorb massive impacts, keeping athletes safer than ever before. It doesn't stop there. The unique way that armor plates slide and interact is even inspiring the next generation of robotics, creating machines that are more durable and adaptable. It's amazing how nature's oldest designs are fueling our most futuristic inventions. If you think that's cool, hit subscribe to see what else nature is teaching us. Thanks for watching. Have you ever seen a real-life transformer? Well, get ready to meet the armadillo, nature's very own armored vehicle. This little creature is more than just an animal. It's a living blueprint of natural engineering, a survivor designed by millions of years of That shell isn't just for show. It's made of bony plates called scutes, covered by a layer of keratin, the same stuff as our fingernails. This flexible armor allows them to curl into an almost impenetrable ball when threatened. And get this, they're amazing diggers, creating complex burrows for shelter and finding food. From their unique shell to their incredible survival skills, the armadillo is a true marvel of the natural world. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Thanks for watching. Ever wonder how some animals pull off incredible feats? Let's talk about the mantis shrimp. This isn't your average shrimp. It packs one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. Its club-like claws accelerate faster than a .22 caliber bullet, smashing open hard shells with ease. But that's not all. Their eyes are mind-blowing. Humans have 3 types of color-receptive cones, but mantis shrimp have a whopping 12 to 16. They see a world of colors we can't even imagine, including ultraviolet light. From superpowered punches to supervision, the mantis shrimp is a true marvel of evolution. If you enjoy discovering nature's genius, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment what animal you want to see next.